And hello all of my wonderful subscribers. I have some updates about some drawings I'm going to be working on, but mainly what I wanted to talk about is if you have any drawing suggestions, go ahead and let me know in the comments below this video. I'm still going to be working on a specific location where everybody can send them all, and I haven't decided on that yet. But for now, for this video, just send it in the comments down below. And I want to be doing the next 5 videos after I upload a couple of them. The next 5 videos are going to be the ones that are suggested from any of you, and those drawings will be time-lapsed. And then also after I do those, I will be doing 5 videos answering 5 questions that you have about art or art supplies. And then after that, I'm going to continue my series of the 5 videos and just keep adding on to those. So if you have any suggestions about anything, any questions about art, or anything about, for example, fountain pens, it could be anything, just go ahead and ask me and leave a comment down below. But for now, I'm going to get to doodling, and you have a good night.